You see that in our country, the joint action is always been calibrated by the government of India. States coming together under the leadership of a central government police force is good for us. But if we both state collaborated on our own without involvement of central government, that may not be good. So idea is that both Meghalaya and Assam and Nagaland can work together under the supervision of government of India. See, I am of the view that all the state governments is doing whatever is best, and this is a big menace. There are various modus operandi for the drug traffickers. I think if we keep on collectively attacking the drugs cartel, we are going to win the war. Every state is working, and I think we have lot of things to do more. We have to do more, and we will do more. Kingpins are not here. Kingpins are across the border. They may not be in India also. So they only push drugs through various agents.